Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sahil Mahajan, and in today's video, we will be taking a look into Amazon Kinesis. So let's dive right into today's video. So starting off on what is Amazon Kinesis. Amazon Kinesis is a suite of services for real-time data streaming and analytics on AWS. Amazon Kinesis allows you, or it enables you to ingest real-time data, process real-time data, and analyze real-time data. So if you have any use case out there wherein you would like to stream data in real time, or you have any streaming related data, then you would be using Amazon Kinesis. So let's look at a couple of key components of Amazon Kinesis. First being Kinesis data streams. This is used to build real-time data pipelines for ingesting and processing data. So if you have any data that you would like to ingest in real time, this could be, for example, you have logs, or you have a couple of metrics, or you're collecting data from a lot of IoT devices, then you can use Kinesis data stream to create a real-time data pipeline. Next coming is your Kinesis data firehose. This is for you to load streaming data into AWS destinations like S3, Redshift, or Elasticsearch. So let's take, you have a use case wherein you are collecting a lot of IoT data. You have your IoT devices deployed across, various different, you have so many IoT devices deployed, and you would like to ingest that data or store that data in maybe Elasticsearch, Redshift, or S3. That's where you would use Kinesis data firehose. So Kinesis data firehose basically collects data from various different endpoints or services and then combines them all together and puts it into an AWS destination. Coming to the third part is Kinesis data analytics. This is used to analyze streaming data using SQL or Apache Flink. So when you have streaming data and you would like to perform any analysis on it, you can write SQL queries for it to analyze that streaming data, or you can use Apache Flink. And finally, we have Kinesis video stream, wherein if you have any video streams that you're looking to ingest into AWS, then you would go with Kinesis video streams. Over here, you will stream and analyze video data in real time. Now, what do we mean by analyzing video data? So let's take, you're watching a soccer match, and a lot of AI analytics or recognition needs to take place on that video. So you can stream that video through Kinesis video streams, and you can apply Amazon recognition, which is one of the AI service, to do recognitions of players in the video. Moving on, let's talk about a couple of key features for Amazon Kinesis. First, of course, being real-time processing. You can ingest and you can process millions of events per second with very, very low latency. Second is your scalability. You can automatically scale Amazon Kinesis up or down accordingly to the load that you're getting or the amount of data that is being ingested into Amazon Kinesis. Third being durability. Data is stored redundantly across multiple availability zones, so your data is durable. And finally being integration, wherein you can seamlessly integrate Kinesis with various different AWS services like Lambda, S3, Redshift, Amazon Recognition, and much, much more. So how does Amazon Kinesis work? We're going to take a very small, quick overview. Step one is your data ingestion, where you're going to look to ingest data into Amazon Kinesis stream. Now, what this data could be is, it could be anything. It could be logs, it could be metrics, it could be network traffic, it could be data from IoT devices, or it could be video streams, anything basically. So your first step is going to be ingestion of data. Step two is going to be processing of data, wherein you have a couple of options wherein you can use Kinesis data analytics to process your data, or you can use Lambda to process your data, or maybe you have any downstream applications that will be processing your data. So you ingest your data into Kinesis, and then those downstream applications, can process that data. Step 3 is storage. If you're looking to store the data, then you can store that processed data in S3, Redshift, Elasticsearch, or something like that. And finally, step 4 is once the data is stored, you can use BI tools like AWS QuickSight or any other external applications that you use for data visualization can be used to analyze this data. So pretty simple. You have 4 steps. You ingest data, process data, store the processed data, and then you perform your analytics on, or your analysis on, the processed data. And we'll take a look into a couple of use cases. Again, I kept on mentioning use cases throughout the video, but let's take a look again. So if you have any use case wherein you want to have real-time analytics, you want to process IoT data, you want to do clickstream analysis, process application logs, or even video streaming, that's where Amazon Kinesis is. So the basics of Amazon Kinesis is, if you hear any use case that says, hey, I want to implement a solution on AWS wherein I would like to ingest data, or I would like to ingest real-time data and process it, you would most likely go with Amazon Kinesis. And again, these use cases right there, these are the most common use cases that we have for Amazon Kinesis. IoT data processing, clickstream analysis. This is wherein you track the user's engagement over your website. What things are they clicking, hovering over, and then you try to perform some analysis on that for marketing purposes. So this was a very quick overview related to Amazon Kinesis, what Amazon Kinesis is, how does it work, what are a couple of use cases, and where is Amazon Kinesis used. In the further videos, we will be diving into each of those key components of Amazon Kinesis, so you guys have a better, deeper understanding. Amazon Kinesis can be quite difficult for new people to understand, but I'm pretty sure that if you rewatch this video or you watch the further videos, especially the demos, you will get a very clear understanding on what Amazon Kinesis is. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, do comment if there are any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye-bye.